Hey everyone, I'm Steph from Sitemate. Environmental permits can be time-consuming to complete and approve, requiring extensive double handling and communication. This can lead to rushed permits lacking necessary details, resulting in environmental impact outside of the agreed impact statement. Dashpivot's digital permit app streamlines this process by providing visibility of planned, active, and closed permits, while retaining centralized control over authorization with electronic workflows and approvals. So in this video, I'm going to show you how permits work in Dashpivot. In Dashpivot, you can create a permit template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. I'll run a search at the top here for permits so you can see all of the available formats that we have. You can preview these templates before adding them into your workspace, and remember that everything you see here is fully customizable once it's been added. You can easily create a permit in your team folders. Our standard permit template will include fields such as tables for work details, checklist and verification tables, team sign-offs using our scanned Sitemate ID, and approval signatures throughout the form. Once saved, the permit will be shown in a workflow view, sorted by the various stages, just like this. Our permit template is designed as a workflow that progresses the form through the various stages with automatic notifications to alert relevant parties. For example, in this environmental permit, we can set up columns for when the permit is drafted, planned, authorized, relinquished, and closed, each with the ability to set its own notifications to ensure that the relevant people stay informed. Forms advance to the next workflow stage through the approval signature fields within the template. Once it's been signed, it progresses through the workflow. Permits are also automatically compiled into a register, where the information from all of the forms can be viewed in a table format. You can also use the filters at the top of the columns to find specific permits and export the data as a PDF or CSV format. In the template editor, you can modify workflow stages at the top. Here you can specify the number of columns needed for your permit and label each stage accordingly. You can also implement logic for approval signatures to specify who can sign off at the different stages. This feature provides you with greater control over your documents. For example, if I only want an organization controller to be able to sign off on the closure signature, I can set it up just here. Additionally, formulas are available to be used within tables to automate calculations, display values, and much more. You can also reference multiple tables to create a summary table, just like in the template here. Information captured can also be analysed further using the Analytics section available at the Team folder and Home folder level. In this example, we have a breakdown of the environmental permits displaying which permits are open and closed. If you need external personnel to sign off on your documents, they can be added to your Dashpivot workspace in the Users section underneath the Visitors tab. With this, you can control their permissions and access similar to how you would with your internal team. Permits can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. The forms are organised in a workflow, just like we saw on the web access. You can continue to work on existing permits, or you can create a new one using the green plus button. The Dashpivot app also includes a contactless sign-in process. Simply click one button to scan workers with the free Sitemate ID straight onto the permit. This will then populate in a table with their name, company, signature, date and time, and location of where they were scanned. Workers scanned using this free Sitemate ID will also receive a read-only copy of that permit. Drawings or any PDF files attached to the permit can also be marked up on the app. This is useful for signing, highlighting, or annotating parts of the document. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't need to have a computer to export it. Instead, you can send it as a PDF via email directly through the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, and Power BI using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your permit data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or other tools. Try Dashpivot for your environmental permits today using our sign-up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.